Today guys, I show you how to do Discord quests. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Also guys, if you need to do Discord quest on your mobile, just watch this video. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me, make sure you update your Discord. Just go like me and go right click on Discord and go here check for updates. After you do updates, move here left and you will see Discover. Click on it. You will see here apps, servers and quests. Just move here to quests and you will see all available quests here. When you finish quest, it look like this, but if you have new quest you will see accept quest. Go here claim it quest, click on it, you will see all your quest rewards. That's it all guys for this video, how to do Discord quests and how to find Discord quests. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.